Welcome to this instructional tutorial review and unboxing of this rear bicycle light. Okay, so let's open the packaging. Okay, so this is the light, and here's the bracket to mount the light onto the bicycle. This takes two AAA batteries. Has two buttons, one for laser, one for LED. Okay, so I'm going to mount it onto the bicycle. Okay, so I'm going to put the batteries in. Okay, so I'm going to mount it now. Okay, so I'm going to mount it here. This is the only place I can properly mount it because you have the rack that's in the way. And below that there's the wheel, so it looks like this area is where I'm going to be mounting it. So this is going to go around the frame. There's a rubber shim over here to prevent slippage. And then there's a bolt and a nut that goes inside here to secure it. Dark area that's operated. Setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, setting 4. Okay, there's the laser. Okay, so the bike was resting on the kickstand, that's why it was tilted, but as you can see it's tilted. So the lasers are not straight, but if you tilt it this way, the lasers get straight again. See? Okay, so this flexes. I want it to be as visible as possible. Okay, so there's two buttons here, one for the lights, and then one for the two laser lights that go on both sides. Setting 1, setting 2. Setting 3, setting 4. Okay, now the laser. This one here. Both sides. You can also set it to flash. And then you press it a third time and it goes off. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to ride it. See how it looks. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.